Welcome to TLH Patterns. Today let's see how to crochet these mini dress keychains, which you can also use as ornaments or for your dollhouse. I used portrait yarn in 2 colors and a 3 mm crochet hook. Using the first color, make a slip knot and then make 16 chains. Now join the last chain with a slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Be careful not to twist the chains. Now let's start the first round. Make 3 chains. This will count as your first stitch. Work a double crochet in the next chain. And now in the next chain, work 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. Two double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets, all in the same chain. This forms the first corner. Then work double crochet in the next 3 chains. In the next chain, work 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. This will form the second corner. Then double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the next chain, forming the third corner. Double crochet in next 3 chains. Two double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next chain, forming the last corner. Then double crochet in the next chain. You already have worked 2 stitches at the beginning, so this will be the third. Join with a slip stitch to the third chain at the beginning. Next is round 2. Make 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch. Now work double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then you'll work a double crochet in the next 2 chain 1 spaces together. So fold so that these 2 spaces are one on top of the other, and work a double crochet into both the spaces together. Then turn and work double crochet in the next 7 stitches that are on the other side after the chain 1 space. Then work a double crochet in the next 2 chain 1 spaces together. Then turn and work double crochet in the next 3 stitches. In this round you will have a total of 16 stitches. Then join with a slip stitch to the top of the turning 3 chains. So this is the upper part of your dress. Now we'll work the skirt part of this dress. I'm using a second color for this part. So pull the next yarn through the loop and tighten the loop by pulling the first yarn, and continue working using the second color. Make 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch, and then work a double crochet in the same stitch, which means that you have 2 stitches in 1 stitch. Then continue working 2 double crochets in every stitch around. In this round you will have 32 stitches. Finally, join with a slip stitch to the top of the starting 3 chains. Then 3 chain. This will count as the first stitch, and work double crochet in each stitch around, and you should have 32 stitches in this round. Then join with a slip stitch. For the next round I'm going to use the first color, so I'll pull the yarn through the loop and tighten the loop. Work single crochet in 2 stitches. Then make 3 chains. single crochet in the next 2 stitches, three chains, single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Repeat this around. Then after the last 3 chains, work a slip stitch in the first single crochet and cut the yarn off. Now you can decorate this as you wish with the beads, buttons or ribbons. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.